I want to do a Clove toner. I want to show you how you can do Clove toner that you can use for your hyperpigmentation, dark spots and pimples. You can do it at home instead of you maybe spending money buying. If you don't have money to buy, you can do this at home and be using it. It's very, very good. I want to show you how to do Clove water toner and how you can do your face masks that you'll be using at home. It will still brighten your skin, fade off acne, dark spots, tighten the pores and remove your pimples. So let's stay tuned. Inside here I have my distilled water. Depending on the quantity you want to make, this can stay for 2 months. You understand? So I have my distilled water here. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Clove. This is my Clove. Please, you can Google what Clove does. I used to say it. Any skincare you see me producing, please, you can Google to be sure. So you now place it on a low heat for 10 minutes. Allow it to boil for 10 minutes. So that's the Clove water after boiling for 10 minutes. That's it after boiling for 10 minutes. Then you have to spray it. What you need is only the water. So that's the water. Please allow it to cool down. Just keep it, let it cool down before you go to the next phase. So this is our Clove water. It has cooled down. So what you now do, you add your glycerin. Add your glycerin. If you have vitamin E, you add. Just add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. If you have vitamin C or tea tree oil, you add. What you need to, how you will use it after bathing. Just clean your face. Use your cotton wool. Touch it. Just use it to massage your face and leave it there. Don't wash it off. It's a toner, so you don't wash it off. I'm going to put it inside my container now. I'm putting it inside my container. So this is where I will put it and be using it. Just get your cotton wool or your face pad. Just touch it after bathing. Use it to massage your face, then leave it. Please don't wash it out. I give you 7 days. You will see the results. Nature is power. Forget all this chemical. Nature is power. You can Google Clove benefits in the face when using it to cook, even the benefit in the body. Even as a woman, I will still teach that one. Even as a woman, you need to be using Clove every month. Even as a woman, you need to be using Clove every month. I will still teach that one. So you can Google the health benefits of Clove in the skin, in the body, and when you use it to cook. See you then. Bye bye. I love you. I'll still show you how I will use it after I wash off my face mask. See ya. So as you can see, I have washed off the turmeric and milk honey face mask I put after 20 minutes. Now I'm going to use my Clove water. So let's see. So this is my cotton wool. I have soaked it with the Clove water. So I will just use it now to massage my face, on my face, especially the affected area that you have the dark spots, you have the pimples, or you have the acne. Just use it to massage your face, just like this, just like this. Massage your face for like 2 minutes. Massage your face for like 2 minutes. So that's all. Just allow it to dry. Don't wash it off. Thank you. Bye. Love you guys.